JUYI Tech specializes in the R&D and manufacturing of brushless DC motors, BLDC, equipped with standard dust-free production workshops, fully automated production lines and testing systems. We subject all products to rigorous testing to ensure a 99.9% pass rate. Catering to industries such as industrial automation, new energy, and smart home, we provide flexible solutions including parameter structure customization and rapid prototyping. Our zero-pollution intelligent manufacturing empowers high-efficiency application scenarios. We look forward to collaborating with you to drive the future together.